Hi, I'm Julie Bevan and I am a solution-focused hypnotherapist. And I want to explain to you what you should expect when you come and see me for initial consultation. And that can either be in person or online. Now, I'm aware that when clients come to see me, they have taken some very, very big steps. First big step is they've decided they want to change something. Another big step is to research. Where do they want to reach out for help? And then the final very large step is actually seeing me. I don't ever underestimate how big a step that is for people. So during the initial consultation, it's a time for us to get to know each other. Are we a good fit? Am I the best therapist for you? And do I think I can help you? So it's a really good time for you to ask questions and to drill down. What do I do? How do I do it? What do you expect from this therapy? So that's the first thing, is getting to know each other and asking any question you may have. And believe me, there is never a stupid or silly question. If you've thought of it, I can guarantee a dozen other people have as well. The other part I do during the initial consultation is to ask you, what are your best hopes from us talking? And this surprises people because they expect to talk about their problem. And if you want to, I will listen. Of course I will. But if you don't want to talk about the problem, if there's something that's too personal or you're embarrassed, I don't actually need to know what the problem is. What's important to me is that I know where you want to go. What are your best hopes? What do you really want out of this therapy? What sort of person are you going to be? And once I know that, then I can then start to ask the questions for you to allow you to work towards that goal, that dream. I don't dwell back on the past and what's happened. We can acknowledge it, but actually I don't need to drill down into the problem of how you got there. What I'm interested in and what I want to see is where you want to go. Also during this hour, I will explain fully how our brain works. And this really then starts to make sense of what is happening to you. That when you get angry or anxious or depressed, it's that certain part of your brain, that fight, flight and freeze part, that's being activated. And where we want you to be is in the positive part of your brain. And understanding how your brain works is the first step. And you will notice more and more which part of the brain you are working in, which makes it easier to reduce your anxiety and to work to that goal. And then at the end of the hour, I will give you a relaxation recording, either as an MP3 download or a CD. And then you can then use this to listen to it as much as you want, to work towards reducing your anxiety, helping you get some better sleep. And you can listen to that as much as you like before the next session to start to really understand where you're going and how you're going to get there, and coming up with your solutions to your problems, because you are the best person to come up with those solutions. So I hope that gives you a little bit of understanding of how the initial consultation works. It's a two-way process, getting to know each other, asking questions, answering questions, explanation about the brain, and then having that nice relaxation recording that you can use from home. So if you have any questions, please contact me. I offer us a free 15-minute telephone consultation to see if solution-focused hypnotherapy is right for you and if I'm the right hypnotherapist for you. So please get in touch if you'd like to know anything more. I hope this was useful.